What's up, guys? We got a 2019 Panini 1 5-box and 3 boxes FOTL of Encased. Going live. Timestamp is 12:09. We only random the teams, guys. Got your names as you pick the spots. Dice 4 or more. Wherever you line up in the spreadsheet, that's who you get. It is a 4. Well, I'm going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Should have 30 spots. Ravens on top. Raiders on the bottom. Guys, I got a new computer and I've just been slowly but surely integrating everything into it. So that's been one of the issues as well. There's your teams. That's who everybody got. Oh, we were supposed to change one for... I'll get that changed for Mr. Brown. All right, guys. Thanks.